What's up everybody, my name is Nathan Juedes. Today I'm going to be painting my kitchen cabinets. So let's head on inside and get started. Okay, so you guys officially haven't met my wife Marissa. So let's go meet her. Hi.
Hi.
So this is Marissa. What are we doing today?
Attempting to start painting the kitchen cabinets.
It was Marissa's idea to paint the kitchen cabinets. Tell them how we got the money to do the kitchen cabinets.
I saved my birthday money.
Yep, so it's Marissa's birthday money. She picked out the color and everything like that. Why do you want your kitchen cabinets painted?
Because I don't like the color they are now. We have a lot of brown in the kitchen, I guess.
Yep.
A lot of different wood tones.
Yep. So I'm gonna try to get rid of some of that wood. So yeah, let's get started.
Sounds good.
Okay, before we start taking anything apart or start this process, I'm gonna take some pictures so that way at the end, I get it back the way it started. Okay, so I have all my doors and hardware removed. I have a pile of doors right there, and we have our hardware saved in some buckets. So now the next step is I'm gonna use a degreaser to clean everything, so that way the paint can adhere well. Okay, just finished lunch, and now I'm going to head outside and sand down the doors. Okay, so what I'm doing right now is just wiping these down with warm water to get the dust off of them from sanding. Okay, they're all clean, so now I'm gonna take them inside and let them dry. Okay, just gonna use this little sanding block to hit the cabinets.
Pineapple. I like pineapple.
Okay, so the paint I'm going to be using for this project is from Sherwin-Williams. This video is not sponsored by Sherwin-Williams. It's sponsored by Marissa and her birthday meeting. So thanks, Marissa. We're going to be using Extreme Bond Primer first, and then we'll be doing the finish coat over the top, and I'll talk about that when we get there. So let's do it. So I bought some of these tripod guys. They help hold up your piece, and they have a teeny tiny tip on it so you can paint one side and then flip it. So I bought enough to put 3 under each one. Obviously you'd probably want 4, but I tried to stretch it, and I won't be able to get everything in one shot, like all the pieces, but I'll be able to get a good chunk of them. So. Okay, so I got a first coat of primer on everything. It's bedtime. The plan is to wake up in the morning and to try to get 2 coats of the actual paint on tomorrow. So, yeah. I'm just gonna clean these tools so you guys don't need to stick around. You should. I'll see you tomorrow. Serious. You guys can go. Morning. Just taking Dakota out here for a walk. And then I'm gonna get back inside, eat some breakfast, and we'll be ready to put our first coat of actual paint on. So, I'll see you inside. No, it'll be okay.
Put it out for you. Wait there.
Perfect.
Wait there.
Okay, welcome to my office in the basement. This is where I stored all the doors to help them dry. I'm going to take all of these doors that are in my basement office here and take them upstairs. I'm going to look at my pictures I took on my phone and start putting them back on. What do you think of your kitchen?
It's pretty great. What?
Anything else? What's your favorite part about it?
I am glad that we went with the gold handles. I was a little nervous about it, but I do like that.
Okay. And
It feels a lot lighter and brighter.
yeah. Sweet.
Yep.
Thanks for watching. We really appreciate it, and we'll see you in the next video.